Welcome back, my friends. John from the Live for a While channel. As most of you guys have these standard charging handles, mil-spec charging handles, and everybody's upgrading things, I picked up this Strike Industries AR latch. It's an extended latch. You just add this to most of your standard charging handles. So we're going to upgrade this charging handle. I picked this up for $8.95 and some shipping. I ordered some other stuff, so you might be 12 bucks into it. So let's put it together. All right, let's drive the pin out of there that holds the latch. Yes. Do that so these little parts don't go flying. Alright, there's your latch, your pin, and your spring. Now this kit comes with the new latch and a spring and a pin. And it's a tapered pin, so it goes in a lot easier. Right here, reinforced tapered roll pin. So they make it easy on you. Alright, let's put this together. I've done it a number of different times and I figured out an easier way to do it. I'm going to put this in. And I got a drill bit. It's a little bit smaller than the roll pin. I'm just going to put it in like so. Use this for like a pilot. I think I'm going to do it. Takes a little bit of finesse, or a lot of finesse. There. And then what I'll do is when I put the pin in, it pushes this drill bit right out. Got a piece of wood here. And I got my pin right here. Alright, vice grips are too wide. I had a pair of needle vice grips around here and I cannot find them. So I use my Gerber multi-tool, put it there. Just a little tap. Get it started. The drill bit fell right out. Like so. Just take something flat and a touch more. There you have it. Nice little addition to your stock charging handle. Oh, lost for words for a second there. $8.95, great upgrade. All right, there it is. Nice addition to your standard charging handle. Alright, thanks for watching. That was a quick little tip to spruce up your AR or whatever. Strike Industries extended charging handle.